Hello friends, today we will learn about Boundary Boss Base. That how to use Boundary Boss Base in Solidworks. Let's get started. By Boundary Boss Base, we can add some material between profile in two directions to create a solid feature. So first of all, we will create a profile. Select top plane. Go into sketch, then select rectangle, make it normal, create rectangle, and OK. For creating second profile, we will create a plane first for creating that profile. So select top plane, go into feature, then reference geometry, click on plane, then put the value here 150 mm. OK. Go into sketch, create circle, make it normal. Then click on OK. Profile has been created. Now go into features, boundary boss base, click on first profile, then second profile. Move the right point here. You can select the normal profile from here. Normal to profile here. The shape of the object has been changed, as you can see in the preview. You can reverse the direction by clicking here, and you can change the length of tangent here. So I will put it 1 mm here. Direction 2. For direction 2, we have create sketch first, so you will cancel. Now select front plane, go into sketch, make it normal, click SP line for direction 2 sketch, make it normal, hide the planes, right click, select, click on finish, then OK. Go into feature, select boundary boss base, select first profile, then second profile. Now click on direction 2, select this sketch. Now you can see the object has been created by using boundary boss base and direction 1 and direction 2 sketches, then OK.